Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. Today would make 1 month anniversary which I started this channel, and my aim was to reach 100 subscribers, but with you guys help I got 92, and that is very good for me. I really appreciate it. I want to thank you guys and tell you how much I love you guys for all the reviews and all the support you guys are giving me. Thank you so much. Alright, so today we're going to be doing some steamed fish and okra cooked down in coconut milk. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. So a bunch of things is going to be included in my steamed fish. I'm going to be adding thyme, carrots, onion, pumpkin, okra, scallion, hot pepper, garlic, and callaloo. I'm going to be stuffing it with the callaloo. So I'm waiting on my fish to thaw. In the meantime, I'm going to be prepping this callaloo. And please guys, you don't have to wash a callaloo before you prep it. You can always wash it after. So I'm about to show you how to clean this up, prep it and cut it up. And then I'm going to show you how to scale the fish. Stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this up. If this is too thick, you can cut it off like this. And you can go ahead and strip down the lines. If it's very tough, you can go ahead and throw it away because then it's not good. So now you just want to get off the outer layer of the skin, because that's like the tough part. You don't want that in when you're steaming your callaloo. If it's too big, this is not too big, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. If it's too big, you can cut it in half like this. So when it's cutting, it evens up with the other sides. Also, you would like to go ahead and take this part out. This is like the seeds. This will cause your dish to be bitter. So you just want to go ahead and cut those. See? All cleaned up. So you want to put that one side, and let's finish the rest. So I have two fishes. I'm not going to be doing one method of cooking today. I'm going to be doing two. So I'm going to be frying one, and then I'm going to be steaming one with the okra. So here we have it, and I'm not going to use all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and split it in half. And so if you're doing this inside, here's a way how to do it to not have it all over the place. You can it's best to use a knife, not the fork, because then it will splatter. So you take the fish, you take the knife. Let me put it at a better angle. Alright, so you take the fish and you take your time and slide the scales off. Don't be aggressive. Just take your time, slide the scales off like this. See? Nothing splashing anywhere. But you have to make sure that the fish is completely thawed out, so it's easy for it to come off like that. Okay? No scales on me. Clean surface. So now I'm going to be adding some fish seasoning to this. Alright, so for this, fish doesn't require a lot of seasoning because it's so easy to cook and easy to marinate. It doesn't require a lot of seasoning. I use Maggi fish season. You can go ahead and use salt and pepper also, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside to marinate a bit and start working on my vegetables. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to create like a mixture. I'm not going to do it separate. In this container, I am going to cut up the carrot, the okra, the pumpkin and add it to everything. Thyme, everything, add it to this, mix everything up. Alright, so now I'm finished. After washing my callaloo, I did add the hot pepper, the thyme, the scallion, the onion, and you can cut your thyme up. I add them to it like this because they're kind of dry and they can't be chopped properly, so I add them to it like that. In the meantime, this fish is going to be fried, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to marinate it a little bit more than the other fish. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. You don't need any salt. You can use different mixtures of seasoning. You could use all-purpose Maggi fish seasoning. You could use Cajun seasoning. So you might be asking, why do I mix everything together, which is the callaloo, the onion, the scallion, and the thyme and stuff? I think instead to constantly be adding and adding, it's easier to mix everything together, and with all the flavors combined, it tastes much better. So I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk to my mixture. This is what's gonna be all that liquid with the. So my pot is hot and I'm about to start frying the fish. So I did add the coconut milk to the mixture, and this is also another way how to do fish in foil, or the only difference is the fish in foil you add the pumpkin and the okra and everything in the mixture. This time I'm going to put it on top of the fish because I want that to eat like as a side, and then I'm gonna put the butter on top. I did add the coconut milk to it because that's what's gonna give it that liquidy. Also the butter and everything, you're gonna get that creamy taste. And this time I'm doing this on the stove. You can put it in the oven, you can do it in the foil paper, put it on the grill, or you can still put it in the oven in the foil. It doesn't matter. This time I'm doing it on the stove and it's gonna come out perfect.
Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Very nice.
So for those of you whose fish is big as mine and the tail can't hold in the pot, you can either take it off or you could go like this with your spoon about 5 times, and that will fry the fish tail also if you don't want to get rid of it. See? Alright, so after I add my mixture, see the coconut milk and everything that is in here, I'm going to start stuffing the fish and show you the rest. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm adding a little bit of the mixture into the fish, into the belly of the fish. So guys, bear with me, I don't have anyone to help me to hold the phone right now, so I'm trying to work with the best angles as possible. Okay, so bear with me. Alright, so in a hot pot, this is melted butter. You're gonna melt like half a stick of butter, and then you're going to lay out this in the pot. I'm going to just lay that out like that, and then you are going to add your fish. My fish is out of the pot. So I'm gonna try to bend the tail when I'm finished. And then, oops, on top of that, you're going to add the rest of your callaloo. Like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the vegetables on top. See? And then you can add your sticks of butter, cut them up in cubes, and just add them around the fish. So now I'm gonna pour my mixture over the fish. And now I'm gonna add my crackers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, but first I am going to add a piece of my sweet corn to this. I'm gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. See that? Just as I promised. Creamy. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.